Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your expenses on Simple in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Simple accounts. So go ahead on Simple's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're going to click on the expenses button that's in the top navigation bar, and from the drop down menu you're going to select track expenses. And here you can enter your expenses such as rent or utilities or groceries or whatever else it is, and you can categorize your expenses such as housing or food. And then you can also just set expense limits if you want, such as a monthly limit for dining out, and all of that is going to help you to track your expenses. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to track your expenses on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. You can always check out more on the topic, but this is just a quick guide. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.